Crafting with Cricut can get expensive, but thanks to Dollar Tree, we can find affordable Cricut supplies to craft with on a budget. Let's talk about 8 Dollar Tree blanks that are perfect to customize with your Cricut and talk about some ideas for each item. The first item is plush toys. If you haven't ventured down the plush toy aisle, go ahead and check it out. How cute are these Peep plushes and bunnies that are out for Easter? You can easily add some iron-on vinyl with a child's name for a gift basket. I've also seen this baby gift idea all over Pinterest where you can add the baby name and birth stats for a keepsake. How cute would that be for a gift? Number 2 is cosmetic bags, and these are perfect for personalized gifts. Think about bridesmaids gifts or for any friend that just loves makeup. These are also great for travel and for organizing all your small items in a bigger bag. At different times of the year, you may find other styles and bags made out of different materials, so check your Dollar Tree store often. Number 3 is wood blanks. These are getting better in quality. I've got one recently and I'll be working on a video with that one, so stick around if you want to see that. But the quality is right up there with what you could get in a pack at Hobby Lobby or online at Amazon, so check those out. Possibilities are really endless here, and you can get really creative with decorative signs for decor or door hangers. Number 4 is the acrylic sheet. I was so excited to see these at my Dollar Tree, and I think they're adding them to the regular supply of craft supplies, so I hope they give us more options in terms of acrylic, and they stick around for a while. But how perfect are these for wedding season coming up? You can use these for table numbers or different signs for guests. These are also great to make up portable games for kids, which I've done before in a previous video, and for educational tracing boards, which I've seen on Pinterest. For number 5, let's talk about whiteboards slash chalkboards. They have varying sizes of these, but you will definitely level up your parties and events with these standing chalkboards and dry erase boards. Think about graduations coming up or barbecue season. These are perfect for labeling items at a craft fair or farmer's market. If you're thinking about making things to sell, you can easily write on them, but use your Cricut and add some vinyl and will be nice and crisp and neat. And they also make cute little decor signs, which I have made in a previous video. Number 6 is the canvas. They have a stretched canvas and a flat panel canvas. Canvas signs are great, but how about a custom paint project that's made with iron-on vinyl? I will be making one of these in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. These are perfect to customize for kids and adults. And the flat canvas panels are great for iron-on projects because there isn't a frame to work around. So check those out. Number 7 is glassware. Dollar Tree glassware is perfect for affordable customized gifts, and glass cups, mugs, bottles are super popular right now. So why not get these from Dollar Tree to give as gifts? Just be sure to customize these with a good quality permanent vinyl, and they will last for years to come. And finally, let's talk about Dollar Tree cardstock and poster board. These are both a wonderful low-cost option for card making and gifting. You can make your own custom gift boxes and card envelopes, which I've shared on this channel. And I love the 11 by 14 poster board packs for framed decor. And we can go even bigger with the foam poster board for those larger than life events. Let me know in the comments which of these Dollar Tree blanks you are excited to customize with your Cricut, and stick around for my upcoming series where I'll show you some of these project ideas using the Dollar Tree blanks. I'll see you in the next one.